Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back again with Umubango. And today we are discussing James's dating history, right? We know that Umubango might be coming to an end and might not be renewed. With everything, we are just looking back at the history of the actors, right? So now Ujabulani McDonald posted hashtag Mubango. James has been dating dangerous women all his life. And the girls were posted. I see them all, but Mahatsidiso was a sneaky one. Then I went to the comments to see what is interesting, right? And then Ushimatata, Ushimatata posted, "You forgot Gugu and Imani." Do you remember Imani? At some point, I thought Gugu Imani was sick. Remember when Imani wanted Ukshaya Imani bekashaya usisi wakhe ngestina or something. Imani was very dangerous. But Ujabu responded to it, no, at least those were not dangerous, but they were sneaky, right? And somebody else agreed to say, yeah, kunjalo vele. But Urivo said, James has such bad luck when it comes to ladies. They really leave him hurt and he's such a lover, man. Hashtag Mubang. That's the thing with these storylines. That's the thing. They will make a person suffer. Like you will suffer for love throughout your storyline, and you would ask yourself, what did I do to the director? What did I do to the scriptwriter? What did I do to the producer? Because wow, nkowisha story. Nkowisha a story. But Unhlamulo also responded to say it's true crazy and manipulative woman. And badlala ngaye njalo. James is always vulnerable. James is always feeling kanjani. Like why? Why must James always be the one suffering? And then Romeo said, as long as he never had Tandaza, we good. Remember Utandaza was like literally the Brooke of the story, right? And the Brooke of the story by default, in a sense that girl's husband would die, or girl's husband would disappear, or girl's husband would move somewhere else, and Utandaza would be forced to be in a relationship with somebody else. Hence I stopped watching it. I was like, nope. I cannot. When Utandaza is now happy, finding love, hey, they're about to get married. No! Vumbugiani a vendor man that Utandaza is supposed to marry without a choice simply because of Yenushatema vendin. Yo, guys, you know what? This thing showed me proper with the producers hated Utandaza as well. But the last comment was from Dupsy to Meme. He is really busy, man. So yeah, tell me what you think about this. This is your girl Disebo D. While you at it, please do like, share and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.